How to increase video quality in Capcut. Increasing video quality in Capcut enhances the visual clarity and sharpness of your footage, resulting in a more professional looking final product that captivates viewers. And here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this done. This is actually very simple, and I'm going to go ahead and show you just this very basic video here. So take a look at this one. Alright, it's, basic, simple, and as you can see, the color is not that great, but we're going to go ahead and do some magic here. So first thing that we are going to do is click the video. After clicking the video, you're going to go ahead and click the adjustment here. If you don't see this one, maybe you're seeing the video only. Again, go ahead and look for the adjustment. After seeing the adjustment, go ahead and click the curves, and here what we are going to do is basically just swap here or change this one, the position of this one. We're going to go ahead and drag this all the way down, and for the other one we're going to drag this all the way up. So that's what we are going to do. We're going to do that for Luma, the brightness here in the red, green, as well as the blue. So I'm going to do that real quick. Just wait a moment, everyone. Alright, so I've finished doing it. So here is it. You can see that now I have reversed this one. So once you're done with this, you're going to go ahead and click the effects. Now here in the effects, go ahead and look for blur, just like so. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add a blur to this video, and this is how it is looking right now. So yep, we are not actually done yet. We're going to go ahead and proceed. After doing that, go ahead and export this one and save this wherever you want. So I just save it in that particular file. Now I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one here, and we're going to go ahead and put that video. So here's the video itself, the one that we have just exported. Now we're going to go ahead and add this one as well as that one over here. So we're going to put this at the top. Now here's where it gets very interesting. Go ahead and click this video here that you just exported, and then we're going to go ahead and look for a video. Right, this one right here, and then click basic. Once you are here, just go ahead and look for the blend. So here it is. Go ahead and click that one, and we're going to go ahead and choose overlay. So now that we have chosen that one, we're going to go ahead and adjust the opacity to somewhere around 50%, 40 to 50%, but go ahead and try to make this or change this according to your liking. Now here's the video itself. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to put it here because we're going to try to see it in a different perspective. So say for example, okay, right, that I'm going to go ahead and hide this track here. This is our overlay. There you go. You can see the color differences, right? So let's do that once again. Let's turn this back on. Alright, there you go. So again, go ahead and make sure to change the opacity according to your liking. But basically, I think I'm satisfied with this one. Now, I'm going to go ahead and try to show you a side-by-side comparison to this one. So basically, what I'm going to do is export this video at this current setting now. Okay, so here's the video right now. I'm going to go ahead and play this for you. Again, this is the original and this is the one that we have enhanced. So I'm going to play it. Alright, see it for yourself. As you can see, there is a huge difference when it comes to color. And yep, I think that is really good. Again, I'm not an expert in color grading, but as you can see, it worked perfectly fine. So congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to increase video quality here in Capcut. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.